Hello, hello. Y'all want to do something fast, simple, easy? Okay, we're going to make a robe. So I got about 4 yards of fabric, okay? And I folded it 4 times. Put it right here. We're going to lay it on the bed, okay? Gino, stop. We're going to take my favorite robe. So you take your favorite robe, and we're going to do it like this, okay? Let me get it right. I should have had all this ready. So we're going to take this robe, and we're going to take it. I'm going to fold it like this. I'm going to fold it like this, okay? And I'm going to lay this on the fold with the arms extending out, okay? And we're going to use this piece for the belt, okay? So let me flip it around so you can see. So you see how I got it on here? This is going to be back on the fold like this. And remember, it's folded 4 times. So now I'm going to cut this out, okay? And then this piece we're going to use for the belt, okay? Let me turn it around. So that's what I'm finna do. And if you don't want it real tight, cut it wide. Cut it wide, cut it wide. I'm cutting it bigger than this one. And the sleeves and everything gonna be cut at once. Boom. Boom. Okay. Now this piece we're gonna use as the belt. Cut it. This the belt. The raw edge. Use the raw edge for the belt. Well, y'all be asking, you make your own robes? Robes are so easy to make. You guys want to get in the robe business, making these nice, easy, simple robes. Okay. Woo! It's the back for the robe, the belt. Belt, belt, belt. Okay, so that's done. I'm gonna cut the neck hole. I'm gonna cut the neck. Boom. No. So I'm gonna show y'all what I got. Okay. This is what y'all should have. Okay. Now we're gonna do a split. Down the middle. Down the middle. You pin a side. Pin a side. I'm gonna pin the sides. Then I'm gonna cut the split. And then I'm gonna take it to the sewing machine and sew it. Let me find the pins. Here go the pins. So, real simple. I can make some nice robes. Even it out. Okay. Pin. 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 Real simple. Pin it. So the arms is already the top part because the way I cut it. So now, so you can get it even, you're folded in half. But I kind of got I kind of can see the crease when I had it folded. So I'm gonna cut it, going down the middle. going down the middle. Now the only thing, when you get right there, angle it like a triangle. Boom. Same thing with this side. Boom. I'm going to pin this side. And then you sew it. And then you attach the belt to the back. You have these amazing robes. When people be like, oh, I love your robes. I'm like, thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And I normally don't sew mine this way, but I just want to make it super easy for you guys. Sewer friendly. I think I'm out of pins. I need one more pin. Now, show y'all quickly what does it look like. Okay. So, you'll take it to the sewing machine and sew it. See that? This beautiful robe. You'll take it to the sewing machine and sew it. See that? And then the piece that I cut for the belt. You'll sew the belt, connect it, fold it over so that the raw edges ain't showing. And, you know, you're going to fold this over so that the inside of the belt, so that's not showing. So you're going to fold it like that. So see? Voila, 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 voila. A robe. Happy sewing.